Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So we are going to be planning in my memory planner, which is from Erin Condren. It is the weekly vertical, so the life planner. The kit I'm going to be using is from Craft Press. It is the Snowed In November Mystery Kit. I have went ahead and already pulled everything that I'll be using in it. And then I did have this foil bundle from Plannahannah and the collab with SPC. It was their reading and I did have it in white. I also paired it with light pink underlays. The scripts I have are from Plannahannah in the custom multi, and this is in white and font number 7, so it's like the typewriter font. And let's just get on into it. So we're gonna start with Monday. First thing first, my husband was off of work. We had some coffee together. I got to read my book. I changed my wax melters. My daughter had an appointment and we made calzones this night. So let's see, I forgot to put my January down, so I get the month foiled and customized from Hannah when I order. I have this D off, which is for my husband being off, and that's from that's from Scribble Prints Co. That is from Carlea Plans and the foil bundle. The Kindle is from Carlea Plans. I was reading Wolf a Daddy. I did change my wax, which the shot cup is from SPC. And we had calzones for dinner. We made homemade calzones, which that's from SPC and that is from Once More with Love. On to Tuesday. I marked, my husband did go back to work this day, so he had been off for a while. And the week prior was just not a good week for our family. I did get to sleep in. I did have my morning coffee. And I'm pretty sure... Oh, I decided to play some Sims on the PC. This is from Planet with Stickers, foil bundle, SPC. And the work script is from the foil bundle. I'm gonna do this one because I messed up, but let's read. I did play some Sims, and I did get to sleep in this day. Our daughter was just still super tired, and I was sleeping while she was sleeping. And then I had a YouTube binge this day. I just put read down because I wanted to use the script. And I need to move these up actually. So when I play Sims, because I play it on my PC, I do like to watch YouTube videos. So I normally have YouTube while I'm playing. Sometimes I will listen to an audiobook, but I think I was listening to an audiobook and diamond painting at the same time later in the day, and then I just watched some TV with my family. So YouTube binge, and the play is from the foil bundle. The book is from the kit. Read is from the foil bundle. I have diamond paint, and then the TV and with fam is from the foil bundle. On to Wednesday, I did sleep in. I love when I can sleep in. I did have my coffee. And I had a YouTube binge. Actually move that over just a tad bit. I did play some more Sims. I'm just gonna put that there. So the bed is from Carlea Plans. The cup is from the foil bundle. Actually, yeah. Yeah, that is from SPC. That is from Leonard Designs. Pretty sure I had therapy and a check this day. Yeah, I think I did. Sorry, talking to myself. Or was that for play? No, I think that was to play Sims. Honestly, I don't remember. Where's that planner? I do have my planner. Let me check. The 22nd. I don't have it on here. No, I had it on Friday. But I did have therapy, that's right, because she canceled. That's right, okay. So it was Sims. I did play some Sims. I go in spurts where I'm like, oh, I just want to play Sims, and I just want to play, whatchamacallit, like, just want to play Dreamlight Valley, and then I'll get off of it for a little bit type of thing. It happens. But anyway, I did have a therapy. I did read my book. My book. I had some cuddles with my kiddo. And I did some dishes. Sure. This is from Scribble Prints Co, I think. Foil bundle, Once More with Love, and Leonard Designs. I thought they kind of matched the spread. So. I love it. I love the white against the pink. Like, I think it just pops. So, Thursday, we woke up and we had our coffee, always. I did play some Sims this morning. And I think I had a YouTube binge. Yeah, YouTube binge. I did read some of my book. Oh, foil bundle, Leonard Designs, SPC. Let me just do this because it makes life so much easier. I think while I was drinking my coffee, I was playing Sims. And I was having a YouTube binge. This is from Leonard Designs as well. And I read the whole like series in a month. But anyway, I also filmed some videos. I did have some TV time. And then at the end of the night, or at the end of the day, I did take a bath. So foil bundle, SPC, SPC, foil bundle. Yeah, I was just really into Sims. So I was just tired AF this day. I did have a med check in the morning. So I'll put that down. Tired AF is from the foil bundle, SPC, SPC. I didn't mark actually like filming, but I know I did because I had planning time. I did go ahead and play some more Sims, and I did take a nap this day, as well as I did do a reading binge that night. Like, when I say binge, I pretty much finished the whole series, I think. Like, I was just reading, so I must have been on book 2. I don't remember, to be honest. But on Saturday, SPC, 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 foil bundle, and foil bundle. Onto Saturday, I did get to sleep in. On the weekends, my husband, well, honestly, with being home with the kid, I can sleep in and take naps. Sometimes I do, because sometimes I need them. Sometimes she is a... Oh, I did mess up on this one. We'll do this. It's fine. Just doing something a little different because I did. Oh, yeah, okay. I see what I did. That's right. It's fine. It'll work. It won't, but it'll be fine. I see what I did. I see. Oh, I did mess up, but that's all right. Okay. And then I'm gonna do this. And then I'll do this. There we go. Okay. So SPC, yeah. SPC, Leonard Designs, foil bundle, add-on, SPC, and SPC. So I was reading The Wolf Daddy. Still, I forget when I finished. But we're gonna cut this guy. Oh, I forgot my sleep in. But I do have it. Come on, here we go. I do have it right here. Perfect. And then I had a math. And I laid in bed. I think I was just scrolling this day. Sounds about right. Probably did it in the afternoon too. But the little girl and her little towel is from SPC and SPC. So on to Sunday, I had my coffee. I did some, I think I did laundry, but it might have been, no, it was wash our sheets. So I washed our sheets and I got to read some of my book. Don't know, SPC, yeah, and Scribble Prints Co. I think this is, I did here, yeah, more sheets. Coffee. Yeah. And then I changed my bed sheets and watched a couple of TV shows. And cuddled with the kiddo. So, I know for a fact we cuddled. And that one is done. I did change my sheets. Oh, that's right. I watched Happy's Place, and the family and I was watching Mashal, which is an anime. That is right. And I do have extra because I always seem to get extra. But that is how this week turned out. Absolutely love it. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.